the Swedish company launched two new speakers called Any by Bluetooth, which combine the aesthetics of postmodern design with contemporary wireless connectivity. The minimalist speakers come in 8-inch and 12-inch square models, both 3 inches thick, and designed to fit the IKEA shelves, but their simple, elegant looks should fit perfectly in any room. Both are equipped with handles so you can easily carry them from one place to another. The speakers are compatible with the Any by support bases and with wall mounts, to help you place them where you want to combine with your decoration. Both accessories are sold separately, although for now they are not yet available online. In order to work, the speakers must be plugged into a power outlet, but if you opt for the 8-inch model, you can also use it with a battery, to enable full wireless playback for up to 10 hours. The smaller 12-inch model is not compatible with a battery. The speakers can be connected via Bluetooth, or using a 3.5mm auxiliary, in case you have a device without Bluetooth capabilities. The only manual controls come in the form of a simple plastic knob on the front, which adjusts power and levels of bass and treble. You will need to control the playback and the volume directly on the device from which you are transmitting, such as phone or tablet. The speakers have mesh fabric front panels, but these can be removed if you want a more industrial style, leaving the tweeters and controllers exposed. Both models are available in black and white color combinations. To be more specific, the black is really dark gray with a black accent, while the white is a lighter gray with black and white accent.